Hey guys, let's make some delicious Korean plus Indian paneer puffs. So you need to heat a non-stick pan or a wok, which is a karai, and put some butter on it. I'm using the Amul pasteurized butter. And then you add finely chopped onion. I used half an onion. You can use onion depending on how many patties you're making. Same rule applies to capsicum and red bell peppers. You could also use more vegetables according to what you want, but these are the vegetables I like. We add some crushed paneer. I used about 3 dices of paneer, so yes, I guess that would be enough. Now we're gonna let it there for a minute, and we're gonna add some pasta and pizza sauce and some black pepper. You can add it according to your taste. Add some pizza oregano. You can also add some pizza chili flakes, but I don't like the taste of chili flakes, so yes. Black salt, and also add salt and chili according to your taste and how much spice tolerance level you have. So I have a lot of spice tolerance, so I can eat a lot of spice. But later I added one whole tablespoon of spice powder, and yeah, I thought it was pretty good. And now we preheat our air fryer on 200 degrees, and now we're gonna heat some water. I used 250 ml of water, and here's real Thai rice paper. It has around 20 to 22 sheets. It can depend, I don't know. And then you add your water into a plate, a wide plate. And then use your rice paper. Use 2 rice paper to make one patty, which would make layers. But if you want, you can also use one, but that may cause the risk of the patties to burst open. So yeah, we're gonna keep them in for 5 seconds, and here's the rice paper. We're gonna use 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of our filling. And you should taste the filling before filling it in your papers, because you can then adjust it according to your taste again. Now you have to fold it as shown, and be very gentle with rice paper. It's not really easy to work with it, and if you have done it before, you can understand. So one layer is done, and we're gonna dip the other paper and do the second layer. So this one's gonna be done in a little different way. Where all the joints were there in one place, we're gonna flip that side and put it in the center now. Like you can see, I just flipped the first layer and then put it on the second layer. Don't stretch the rice paper, otherwise it will break. And now you can see what I did. So the joints are gonna be on the other side now, and it's gonna be equal layers. And if you want lots and lots of layers, you can use 4 or 6 and more and more. You can go on, but you have to cook the filling after that, because it won't be cooked perfectly if you put 4 or 5 layers in it. So yes, 2 is enough, I guess. And I made all of them. I greased my air fryer as well as these bricks, and I then kept them at a low speed first. I kept them at 180 degrees, but later I adjusted it to 200. Every 5 minutes you have to flip it. I did my timer for 20 minutes, so I flipped it 4 times. And ta-da, they're ready. Now you can cut them open or eat it as you like. I hope you guys liked the first episode of this holiday series. I hope to see your next ones and the next videos. Bye.